All right, let's get into it. You can see right here where it says long, my total account value is just under $17,000. I am using $3,000 of margin with a Fidelity brokerage account, and my overall cash value is just below $14,000. As you can see, for today, being part of the AMZY Army, this portfolio of mine is down about $1,250 or 8.25%. And in this account, I have 6 positions, and this is a screenshot of how they did today, the good and the bad. And in this screenshot, this is the total value gained or lost for these 6 positions since I've opened this brokerage account in mid-April, but really didn't get started until the 1st of June. And the only thing I really did this week is I opened up a small position of XDTE, the weekly pair. I want to see how these go. I combined that with my 10 shares I have of QDTE. And even though there was a lot of blood in the water the past couple days, that's because Amazon missed its earning. And with AMZY being my biggest holding, I'm not worried about AMZY, my 733 shares. I know eventually Amazon is going to go back up unless the world ends. So I just have to hold tight. What I'm waiting for is next week when we get paid out from the 3 funds, AMZY, AMZY, and Coney, I'm probably going to buy more shares of AMZY and Coney and whatever else I'll think of. But I'm definitely going to add to my position of AMZY and build that up, maybe get to about 750 shares. And really the only position that really concerns me is the ULTY, the ULTI position. You can see I bought this a few weeks ago on July 17th, 100 shares at $13.22. I was hoping I bought it low enough, but lo and behold, here we are, $11.18. It just keeps going down and down. So I'm probably going to wait until it pays its dividend. I think it's the 3rd week of the month. Get those dividends and probably sell out of ULTI. At least that's what I'm thinking right now, and put it into another high yield ETF, be it AMZY or something else. And now talking really quickly about dividends, I'm using the free version of the dividend tracker. I plugged in all my information. There you can see the monthly average of $788. I should get somewhere near this in August, and of course they're using the previous payout to get there. Who knows what they're going to be paying out this month as far as my 6 positions are concerned. So, if I can get above $700, I'll be happy with that, just because of how the market's been doing it in July and then here in early August. And as far as the dividends I've received since I've opened this brokerage account in April, well, right there in May with my first payout, I only had 4 shares, and those 4 shares were with AMZY. I believe they paid 95 or 97 cents a share, made like $4 or close to it, and then I earned some interest on cash that I had sitting in the account to bring it to $15. In June, I had 136 total shares. That was all AMZY. I believe they paid that 97 or 95 cents to make $135. And then last month in July, I had 745 combined total shares, made $582 in dividends. Now this month being August, right now I have 928 shares. I may buy a few more shares of something on Monday to bump that up a little bit. I'm just not sure. I like that I'm only using $3,000 of margin. If you look here, I still have $14,000 of buying power. But with the market the way it is right now, I like having that huge buffer and not being too much in margin. So I'm glad I backed off the margin from what I had, in the last 60 days. So 928 shares. The goal is to try and hit 1,000 as soon as possible, hopefully by the end of 2024. All I know, the more shares I have, the more dividends I'm probably going to make. It's just a matter of picking the right high yield ETFs. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.